Hi everyone, welcome back once again to our daily hacking news series. Today we have a lot of news and there is a cyber attack on one of the biggest cybersecurity firm. So we'll cover everything in this news, and before moving forward, if you want, you can subscribe because we are bringing hacking news on daily basis, as you know. And so let's get started. So guys, this is something which is very much concerning. Orange Group, one of the biggest cybersecurity firm in the world. So this is a French telecom giant, right? Which is broadly expanded in French. So this is a Orange Group which is suffered a major cyber attack, and this is causing a potential service disruption. The company is right now investigating, but this hasn't confirmed if the customer data is stolen or not. So right now, guys, expert suspecting as a ransomware or state-sponsored hackers attack. Okay, they might be the backend who are doing all those things. So let's see if they are going to update anything. So there's a lot of website is going hacked. There's a lot of companies going hacked. How to secure all those things? And do you want to get a job in that specific segment? Then I'll let you know. You can do one thing. You can learn web application pen testing, where you can find out loopholes in a website and report bugs to the company, right? From where you can earn a good amount of money as well. So for that, you can join this program VIEH Group TCI Training of Internship, which will going to start from tomorrow itself. So just join web application pen testing and you will learn a lot of things, right? I promise. Now let's get started with the next news. The next news is related to a dating app. So there is a dating app company which is called T, right? You can see here, this is the logo of the T company. So basically, what happened? There's a dating app for the woman, right? Which is called a T, and data breached. There is a data breach, and which has exposed a lot of private images and user comment, whatever they had done on the post and image, whatever posted on the platform. Yes, this is huge, and this is for the woman. So this is something very much concerning. So right now, the hackers posted the stolen data online, and this is rising a very major privacy concern in the worldwide, right? You can see the dating app Teat was hacked, leaked image, post, and comment of thousands of users who said anonymous red flag report on man. Wow, that's something insane. What do you feel like? This is good or bad? Just let me know in the comment box. This app is basically now working with a cybersecurity expert to assess the damage, right? But damage control, what you can do when the data has been breached, right? Next news is related to Ukraine and Russia. So guys, there is something major update on Ukraine and Russia. So there is a hacktivist group, Cyber Anchi Squad. They have allegedly attacked Aeroflot, which is an aeroplane company. Like in India, we have SpiceJet, we have few more companies, but Air India and all. So Russia is having Aeroflot. So it was attacked, cyber attack, and this was causing around 100 plus flight was cancelled. So guys, there's a lot of attack is going around. Look out the things. So this attack is basically disrupted booking system and airport operations as well. So this is a part of ongoing cyber warfare link between Russia and Ukraine conflict. So what do you feel like? What exactly the things is going around? Just let me know in the comment box. You can see the lovely Russian flag. Hackers claim data breach for the Russians. So you can see a lot of posted which was posted on X, which was previously known as Twitter. Anyways, next news is also interesting. So there is a NASCAR. So NASCAR actually disclosed a ransomware attack that stole personal information and vendor data. Okay, so guys, what is NASCAR? This is National Security of Stock Car Auto Racing, right? They actually conduct a lot of auto car racing. So even you can see a lot of players are wearing NASCAR shirts, right? So this was done. So the breach was actually happened earlier this year, but was just confirmed, and no evidence yet that a stolen data has been misused. So probably hackers are going to come in the forwards and they will say, yes, I breached your data. Now what you can do, just let me know. So this is what we have for the next car. Now next news related to Lenovo. Probably you are using Lenovo laptop. This is one of the most famous brand in the world, laptop brand. So right now there's a critical flaw in Lenovo firmware which could let attackers install undetectable malware. Yes, undetectable malware, which is not detectable, right? So this flaw actually affecting a millions of devices, a bunch of devices, and this allowing hackers to surveillance the OS which is reinstalls. So OS reinstalls is something different thing. You can check out for the thing. So this was actually happening. So right now Lenovo has released a patches which uses users to update your system as soon as possible. There is a firmware update, right? Firmware update is very much important. You always need to update your phone. Now, next news is related to fake apps. Yes, right now cyber criminals are spreading fake banking and shopping apps to steal the login credentials. Yes, it's a something which is always going on, but I've covered so that you'll be aware. So these apps actually mimic like a legitimate service like PayPal or WhatsApp, and this is always download apps from official stores and check review. Always download from official, as I told you. LLM, what you know about LLM, just let me know in the comment box. So there's an update related to LLM. So researchers using AI honeypot to trick hackers. Yes, the security rules are getting on the top of hackers, right? So they are just tricking the hackers. So security experts are deploying LLM based honeypot. That is very much, and this is need of the hour right now. It actually deceives the hacker. So what exactly it does? This actually traps mimic real system and wasting attackers' time and getting intel about them. So this is a very clever way to study hackers' tactics and improving defenses. You'll get to know exactly what are things hackers are doing, how you can caught, you can create some defense mechanism as well. So this is something good. Next news related to Google Chrome. So there's a multiple high severity flow in Google which could allow remote code execution RCE, and Google has rolled out the emergency update. So update your Chrome as well. You can see here as well. There's update on this Chrome as well. I'm using Chrome right now. So this is what we have. This unsafe extension. Chrome is good, right? Chrome is a good browser, but it reveals you a lot. So Google has released an update is as soon as possible. Right now, attackers are actively exploiting some of these bugs as well. So they are the CV20258292, which is we have the CV detail on NBD National Vulnerability Database, which was provided from NIST. So you can see a lot of broad definition about exactly how the things work, what is the error, and if you want to research, you can do from here. Now, next news is related to Quillin. So the Quillin ransomware gang is targeting the healthcare, education, and manufacturing right now, and they use double extortion, encryption data, and threatening leaks. So right now, organizations are advised to strengthen backup and endpoint security. Yes, you can see the Quillin ransomware gang post on dark web forum. Russian hacking group, yes, Russian are always everywhere in Delhi itself. Now, next news is related to a toxic panda. Yes, even I am a toxic panda. So there is a new banking trojan which is called ToxicPanda. They are stealing credentials via fake loan apps. So it actually takes users into granting access permission and then take over the devices. Yes. So avoid side loading apps and stick on Google Play for the security and App Store, right? Because you already have App Store, you have already Google Play Store, right? So this is what we have. If you want to learn about SOC, do you know what is SOC? If you know, that's good. If you don't know, then learn it because that is the need of the hour. Check out this URL viehgroup.com/SOC and you'll be a part of our SOC batch internship. We'll get a internship and experience certificate starting from 1st of August. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed and let me know in the comment box what exactly you feel like. So thank you. Have a great day. Jai.